Hello. How can I help you? Hello. How can I help you? Hello. How can I help you? How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? Do you have any sales? Do you have any sales? Do you have any sales? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? What size do you need? What size do you need? What size do you need? Excuse me, where are the shirts? Excuse me, where are the shirts? Excuse me, where are the shirts? Can I see that in a different color? Can I see that in a different color? Can I see that in a different color? I'd like to return this, please. I'd like to return this, please. I'd like to return this, please. Is there a discount on this item? Is there a discount on this item? Is there a discount on this item? Where can I find shoes? Where can I find shoes? Where can I find shoes? May I speak to the manager, please? May I speak to the manager, please? May I speak to the manager, please? Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with cash? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? What time do you close? What time do you close? What time do you close? Do you have any bags? Do you have any bags? Do you have any bags? Can I get a receipt, please? Can I get a receipt, please? Can I get a receipt, please? Is there a warranty for this product? Is there a warranty for this product? Is there a warranty for this product? I'm just browsing, thanks. I'm just browsing, thanks. I'm just browsing, thanks. Can you help me find a gift? Can you help me find a gift? Can you help me find a gift? I'm looking for a dress for a wedding. I'm looking for a dress for a wedding. I'm looking for a dress for a wedding. What's the return policy? What's the return policy? What's the return policy? Are there any special offers? Are there any special offers? Are there any special offers? Where can I find the accessories? Where can I find the accessories? Where can I find the accessories? I'll take 2 of these, please. I'll take 2 of these, please. I'll take 2 of these, please. Can you hold this for me? Can you hold this for me? Can you hold this for me? Can I get a refund? Can I get a refund? Can I get a refund? Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a smaller size? Is there a sale going on? Is there a sale going on? Is there a sale going on? Could you gift wrap this for me? Could you gift wrap this for me? Could you gift wrap this for me? Is this the only color available? Is this the only color available? Is this the only color available? Do you have a loyalty program? Do you have a loyalty program? Do you have a loyalty program? How long is the warranty period? How long is the warranty period? How long is the warranty period? Can I exchange this item? Can I exchange this item? Can I exchange this item? Where's the nearest exit? Where's the nearest exit? Where's the nearest exit? Can I see your catalog? Can I see your catalog? Can I see your catalog? What's your most popular item? What's your most popular item? What's your most popular item? Where can I find a shopping cart? Where can I find a shopping cart? Where can I find a shopping cart? What aisle is this product on? What aisle is this product on? What aisle is this product on? Can you order this for me? Can you order this for me? Can you order this for me? I'd like to return this shirt. I'd like to return this shirt. I'd like to return this shirt. Is there a discount for students? Is there a discount for students? Is there a discount for students? Could you recommend a good brand? Could you recommend a good brand? Could you recommend a good brand? Can I get a rain check for this sale? Can I get a rain check for this sale? Can I get a rain check for this sale? Where's the checkout counter? Where's the checkout counter? Where's the checkout counter? Do you have any sales on shoes? Do you have any sales on shoes? Do you have any sales on shoes? Can I get this gift wrapped? Can I get this gift wrapped? Can I get this gift wrapped? What time does the store open? What time does the store open? What time does the store open? I'm looking for a specific book. I'm looking for a specific book. I'm looking for a specific book. Can I get this in a larger size? Can I get this in a larger size? Can I get this in a larger size? Do you have any promotions today? Do you have any promotions today? Do you have any promotions today? How much is the shipping fee? How much is the shipping fee? How much is the shipping fee? Can you show me more options? Can you show me more options? Can you show me more options? I'm interested in buying a laptop. I'm interested in buying a laptop. I'm interested in buying a laptop. Is this product on sale? Is this product on sale? Is this product on sale? Where can I find the restrooms? Where can I find the restrooms? Where can I find the restrooms? I need help finding a birthday present. I need help finding a birthday present. I need help finding a birthday present. Can I return online purchases in store? Can I return online purchases in store? Can I return online purchases in store? What are your store hours? What are your store hours? What are your store hours? Do you have a customer loyalty program? Do you have a customer loyalty program? Do you have a customer loyalty program? Can I see your sales flyer? Can I see your sales flyer? Can I see your sales flyer? I'm searching for a gift for my mom. I'm searching for a gift for my mom. I'm searching for a gift for my mom. Does this come in different colors? Does this come in different colors? Does this come in different colors? Where can I find the electronics section? Where can I find the electronics section? Where can I find the electronics section? Can you help me find the perfect shoes? Can you help me find the perfect shoes? Can you help me find the perfect shoes? I'd like to exchange these jeans, please. I'd like to exchange these jeans, please. I'd like to exchange these jeans, please. Is there a special offer for new customers? Is there a special offer for new customers? Is there a special offer for new customers? Can you help me find a dress for a party? Can you help me find a dress for a party? Can you help me find a dress for a party? Are there any discounts for military personnel? Are there any discounts for military personnel? Are there any discounts for military personnel? Where's the nearest ATM? Where's the nearest ATM? Where's the nearest ATM? Do you have any deals on smartphones? Do you have any deals on smartphones? Do you have any deals on smartphones? I'd like to pay with a debit card. I'd like to pay with a debit card. I'd like to pay with a debit card. Can I get a price match for this item? Can I get a price match for this item? Can I get a price match for this item? I'm looking for a gift certificate. I'm looking for a gift certificate. I'm looking for a gift certificate. Can I reserve this item for later? Can I reserve this item for later? Can I reserve this item for later? What's the best-selling product here? What's the best-selling product here? What's the best-selling product here? Where can I find the cosmetics section? Where can I find the cosmetics section? Where can I find the cosmetics section? I'm interested in the latest fashion trends. I'm interested in the latest fashion trends. I'm interested in the latest fashion trends. Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? I'm searching for a high-quality watch. I'm searching for a high-quality watch. I'm searching for a high-quality watch. What's the warranty on this appliance? What's the warranty on this appliance? What's the warranty on this appliance? Can you help me find the kitchenware? Can you help me find the kitchenware? Can you help me find the kitchenware? Where can I find kids' clothing? Where can I find kids' clothing? Where can I find kids' clothing? I'm looking for a laptop bag. I'm looking for a laptop bag. I'm looking for a laptop bag. Can I get a refund on this item? Can I get a refund on this item? Can I get a refund on this item? Is there a sale on electronics? Is there a sale on electronics? Is there a sale on electronics? Can you suggest a good brand of headphones? Can you suggest a good brand of headphones? Can you suggest a good brand of headphones? I'd like to apply for a store credit card. I'd like to apply for a store credit card. I'd like to apply for a store credit card. Can you tell me the store's return policy? Can you tell me the store's return policy? Can you tell me the store's return policy? Do you have any sales on home appliances? Do you have any sales on home appliances? Do you have any sales on home appliances? Can I get this product delivered? Can I get this product delivered? Can I get this product delivered? I'm searching for a stylish handbag. I'm searching for a stylish handbag. I'm searching for a stylish handbag. Is there a clearance section? Is there a clearance section? Is there a clearance section? Can you show me the latest smartphones? Can you show me the latest smartphones? Can you show me the latest smartphones? I'm interested in buying a camera. I'm interested in buying a camera. I'm interested in buying a camera. Where can I find men's/women's clothing? Where can I find men's/women's clothing? Where can I find men's/women's clothing? Do you have any organic products? Do you have any organic products? Do you have any organic products? Can I get this personalized? Can I get this personalized? Can I get this personalized? I'd like to know the price of this necklace. I'd like to know the price of this necklace. I'd like to know the price of this necklace. What are the store's holiday hours? What are the store's holiday hours? What are the store's holiday hours?